All right, check it out. We're looking at the Kubota SL75-2, 75 horsepower, skid steer, track steer. And this is pretty neat. Look how the front of it opens. And then we go in. Pretty cool, huh? And we have a seat. It's got the nice air ride seat. That's neat. I'm gonna shut her down here. Okay, we're in. We have AC, climate control, wipers, accelerator on the floor. This, unlike the Bobcats, you will operate your tracks with the left joy, bucket with the right. I'm gonna fire her up. Let's put our belts on. Let the glow plug heat up just a little bit. Make sure the throttle's back. Yeah, so we don't use our feet like some of the older skid steers or Bobcat. We do have a foot pedal that gives us acceleration when we need it for lifting some of those heavier loads. And we'll go and fire up. And this machine has 114 hours on it. So pretty damn new. Only a couple weeks worth of work. So to get going here, we're going to press our green button, unlock the parking brake, and move my bucket. Now if you can't tell, I am way up on the landing of our double here up in the front of the track. I'm going to try to drive off it. So this could be crazy. Let's see. I'm going to put the bucket down to kind of catch me a little. It's all the way down. I just keep thinking it's gonna slam down. Made it. Get some gas here. Try to do this recording. I gotta keep switching hands with the phone. Alright, check this out. Crazy of a hill, but when you're on it, it feels quite a bit crazier. So let's go. I want to add some material up here. So my son and any other kids that come over and want to ride the track, they can roll all this easy. I don't want anything to be dangerous or scary. That's not gonna be fun. Let's do a hot lap, right? So basically this is the beginning of the track. We're gonna go over this. Move my bucket down just a little because throttle up a little so I have to use my foot. too steep. Alright. I can show you how to get up something that's too steep, but I don't have any way to hold the phone. Let me try this. I'm going to pinch it under my chin. See if we can do this. That probably didn't come out so good. It's not really happening. I'm gonna go around this part. Just kind of okay. Not worth flipping her, guys. I'm not gonna flip her. Out a little bit. There's our berm. We're up to this station of double. Okay. I think we're gonna be able to clear that, but a nice little back blade on her. Check it out. It's pretty far down. Try to scrape a little bit of this off. Give it a little more pressure. She's sliding a little. There's a slider. Alright. Again. Needs one more. So it's probably about like 34, 35 degrees out, snow starting to melt. Ground's never even really had a chance to freeze, but I still feel like I'm kind of just packing snow. Now, let's see if we can, just gonna grade this down a little into here. Just gonna drain. I'm gonna try to run this with my elbow on the other hand. It's hard to film. I gotta get a GoPro. It's ridiculous. We're gonna be getting a GoPro and doing some more filming, guys. I promise. This is kind of ridiculous. I'm trying to do it two hands. Again, we're going to put some material in front of this one too. Because as you can see, you don't want to jump off of that lip and then just smack into a mountain and tear it. That's not any fun. backwards. Alright, let's continue our journey here. Here we go. Going on the second berm. Nice berm, hard to see. This way, let's go this way just because it's a little crazier, and see if we can make it through this. It's pretty squishy and rough. There's a little hill Mike made the other day here. Let's go over to the tank. Oh yeah, we're on a wheelie. Woo! Backplate our landing boys, why not? International squish. Alright, I gotta two-hand this again. This is skills, you guys. Tough without both my hands here. That's pretty smooth. All right. Now here we come around the old cherry tree turn. Yeah, we got a bird here. Here. Just send it over this. Crash down. I need a little momentum here. Holy crap. Come on. Shit. Come on. Go to the side a little. The slider. Alright. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Alright, this one could be scary. This is a pretty steep one. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh. That was awesome. Alright. There's two-handed this motherfucker. Hard to do with two hands. Trading around with the phone. Alright, so up to our third berm, which we need to. We gotta dig a little pit here to drain some of this water, camber it all into the middle. And then we're doing a little inside speed bump to slow the inside line just a little bit. So we'll work on that when I have 2 hands. It's getting a little funny now. Alright, come around the berm, coming in hot. Go wide. Looks like. Probably gonna change this a little. It's a little closer to the other turn. Alright, come in here. Oh, this ought to be fun. We got the whoops. Here come the whoops. Okay, we're gonna lift the blade up, please. Alright, I'm just gonna try to dig it nice and slow. These are bumpy. Ran over them a couple times, just trying to kind of flatten them out, get them worked in, a little more even. This is probably one of my favorite berms. I don't know. I just like kind of dumping in the corner, stopping quick, and just getting this little rut out here, and just let your wheel wash and hit it. Send it. You come out straight. Boom. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna plow a little bit of a path here so we can see our line for where we're coming in. Got a lot of water in here. We're going to drain this in a little low spot eventually when I have 2 hands. Okay. So kind of around. Here's our berm, very fun berm, and then we come out for this nice little run up, and this is where we're going to be making a decent sized double. Maybe I think I'm going to do 2 tabletops that can be double. I think that would be a whole lot of fun. So I'm going to line up for that. To that. That's just the beginning. Alright, so we're gonna come past that. I'd like us to have a nice little landing around here somewhere. Right over it. Alright. We're gonna come through here. Might as well put our blade down, right? Start working this bitch in. brake and, you know, it's lame. Winders.